Okay, here we go. Why don't we take a look at this ACT question. I took this from an ACT practice test. We have, what is the value of the expression x minus y squared when x equals 5 and y equals -1? Why don't you pause this video and give this question a shot? All right. The way we need to solve this is basically by following order of operations, right? So we've got our grouping symbols, exponents, multiply, divide, add, and subtract. So the first thing we should do is go ahead and substitute out our numbers for our variables. So we have x minus y when x is 5 and y is -1. So gotta make sure we put that in parentheses because we have these back-to-back negatives. So subtracting a negative is the same as adding a positive. So what we do when we have a negative out to the left of a grouping symbol, just change that sign to positive, and we change all the signs inside the grouping symbols to its opposite. So if this were a positive, we would change it to a negative. Seeing how this is negative, we're going to change it to a positive. Okay, now we just add these together. 5 plus 1 is 6. And now 6 squared is 6 times 6, which is 36. There you go. All right, so just so we know, this was the second question of the test, so this is considered a pretty easy question. The ACT tends to get harder as it goes. There's 60 questions, this being the second question. This is a fairly easy question. All right.